You asked, we listened. Get ready to unwrap a special Christmas treat. The iconic Paul John Christmas Edition whiskey. This is the 6th release from the Christmas edition from the award-winning Paul John Single Malt Indian Whiskey. The Paul John whiskey is created in Goa, and what's unique about it is that it is matured in ex-bourbon casks and it finishes its maturation journey in single vintage Colheita tawny port casks. One fun fact, there are only 7,600 bottles of these, so it's really a collector's item. When you pour the single malt in your glass, you will observe that it has this lovely, deep, rich color. As you draw the glass closer, you are greeted by these exotic aromas of rich, dry fruits, some hint of dark chocolate, sweet, creamy vanilla custard. Even taking small sips will make you realize that there's an explosion of flavors on your palate. You get, again, some lovely sweet spices, some vanilla coming through, some rich mocha, and some warm caramel on the finish. This whiskey has given me the perfect start to the holiday season. So what special gifts are you going to give your loved ones this Christmas season? And also let me know in the comments below if you've tried the Paul John Christmas Edition Single Malt Whiskey. Cheers.